All right, I'm going to show you real quickly how you can make your Venn diagram if that is your choice for today's assignment. So you want to first start off with a circle. So you go up here to Shapes and you choose the circle, and then you make one like that. So you want this in here to be transparent so it's easier to see. So you want to go up to the fill bucket and choose transparent. Now to make an identical circle like that or an oval like that, hold down your control key, and then when you get the crosshairs, you just, while holding the control key down, slide that over. Now you can reshape these circles. You can make the border thicker or a different color by going up here. Here's all your tools for these shapes up here. So to type in that, you can either just double click and start typing in here, or you can open up a text box. For the middle circle, you're going to want to open up a text box so that it fills in the middle. Okay, and there's your Venn diagram. Have fun.